the niece of your principal, Charlie. still one number, last number. Do you want to hear one more drums? Don't you know even the mommies, Mary Mac and Low, and student little mommy. We have 6 mommies na naka-enroll sa amin right now. Okay, speaking.
Deadline na lang po sa inyo. Pasensya na po kayo, late po. Hindi ka siya.
Thank you for your principal, to the teachers, to the students. I hope you enjoyed listening to our short program. And I hope to see you in our school. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir, before we say thank you to you, we'd like to acknowledge the performers. So we'd like to call them in front as I call your name. Please form a line. Okay, you face me. And then you face your classmates and schoolmates. These kids are from our school. Charlene Vinluan. Yeah, she's my niece, yes. And then she inherited my golden horns. Actually, she underwent my training. She cried a lot after my training. Okay, Carla Jessica Gonzalez. Piano, pupil. Andrea Gay Pascual, yes, a new pupil from Moncada. She played the violin. And then Caitlin Gulala. Nice to see you performing in the drums, Caitlin. I hope that you will get out of your shell next time, huh? And you are starting. We have here Jessie Orel. Where's Jessie? Jessie Orel. Where's Jessie? Our pupil in grade 2 who performed in the drums. We also have Angelo, of course, the son of our maestro. Ano pa magmamana kundi kay Daddy. And then, another pupil here, also a shy boy. And then, nice to see him also perform